Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Have you all understood prime numbers properly? Prime numbers and composite numbers.
Yes, sir. We have.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And we have done the B part of the question also of the exercise 3.4.
Yes,
Have we
sir.
done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So before starting with the next exercise, I will tell you how to do prime factorization of a number. Anji beta, Neelam.
In the B part, we have done. We have discussed 1, 2, and 3 only. 4 and 5th and 6th are left.
4, 5 and 6 are left.
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलिए let's do फिर fourth part. उसके बाद we will do prime factorization. We will understand what is prime factorization. Okay, so fourth part of the question. Exercise 3.4, question B, fourth part. 13 and 51. We have to check whether these numbers are co-primes or not. So first you write the factors of 31. First we will write the factors of 13. Factors of 13 are 1 and 13 itself. Then the factors of 51.
So the factors of 51 are 1, 3, 17, and 51.
Absolutely correct. 1, 3, 17 and 51. These are the factors of 51. Now we will find whether the numbers are co-primes or not. Let's find out the common factors. So 1 is a common factor. Is there any other number which is a common factor?
No, sir.
No. That means the two numbers are
Sir, co-primes.
co-primes. Very good. So 13 and 51 are co-primes. Understood? Now you all will do fifth and sixth part. Do fifth and sixth part yourself right now.
Sir, I have already done 5th and 6th part.
Those who have done, they can revise. Others can do fifth and sixth part. Are you all doing?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Keep on doing. Do fifth and sixth part yourself. Okay, start doing.
Sir, what are the
Sorry?
factors?
Factors of what? क्या कह रहे हो बेटा समर? समर क्या कह रहे हैं? माइक तो ऑन करो.
Sir, I was telling that, sir, please tell the factors of 39.
39, factors of 39, 1, 3, 13 and 39. 1, 3, 13 and 39. These are factors
Sir,
of 39.
please tell the page number of 5th and 6th part.
Page number
So, sir,
33.
Common. So, sir, this is a co-prime or not?
Which question are you talking about? Which part?
Okay. Sir, by mistake, I have done the wrong.
Better do the fifth and sixth part. Page number 33. Okay. Start doing, all of you. Have you all done all the parts, both the parts, 5 and 6?
Sir, I have already done them yesterday.
Sir, please wait for 1 minute.
Beta, some students have done. Most of the students had not done it. So that is why I gave time to complete it. Okay. So what is the answer of the fifth part? 8 and 72 are co-primes or not? Eight and 72
Sir,
are
not co-primes. Sir, not co-primes.
Sir, they are co-primes.
beta, they
Sir,
are
they are not.
they are not
8
co-primes.
and 72 are not co-primes
Yes.
because they have more than two factors. Sir, they have
More than two common factors.
More than one common factors.
Sir, they have more than one common factor.
Therefore, they are co-primes. 8 and 72 are co-primes because they have more than one common factors. So common factors of 8 and 72 are
Sir, they are not
हाँ
co-primes.
वही कह रहा हूँ मैं. They are not co-primes. मैंने
Yes,
co-primes
sir.
बोल दिया था. I am saying they are not co-primes. Okay. So the common factors.
Sir, can I tell the sixth one?
Wait. So the common factors of 8 and 72 are 1, 2, 4 and
4 and 8.
yes, these are the common factors. Therefore, they are not co-primes. Last part, answer of the sixth part, give. Tell the answer.
Sir, it is co-prime. Sir, co-prime.
Sir, it is co-prime.
Yes.
Sir, it is co-prime.
Sir, they are co-primes.
They are co-prime.
12 and 65 are co-primes. Okay. Because they don't have any common factor. There is only one common factor, which is 1. Okay. Okay, so we have all understood the concept of primes, co-primes, composite numbers, everything we have understood. Now, let us start with a new concept, which is of prime factorization. So, क्या होता है? It is very important. I want your concentration here. Prime factorization is important because it will be used in finding LCM, finding HCF. There is a method of finding HCF using prime factorization also. A new method to find HCF, by which you can find HCF of number. Okay. So prime factorization क्या होता है? What is prime factorization? Let me show with an example. You don't have to write this in your copy. कॉपी में अभी कुछ भी नोट नहीं करना है. Okay. I am going to help you out with the prime factorization. Suppose don't write anything. First of all, don't write anything. Okay. The topic that I am starting is prime factorization. Prime factorization. Now, in this, suppose I have to do the prime factorization of a number 12. मुझे 12 का prime factorization करना है suppose. Okay. So what is to be done when we are doing the prime factorization of a number? We write the number and we draw two lines like this. Understood? Write the number 12 and draw two lines like this. You don't have to draw this, okay? अभी नहीं करना है आपको. Just look at the board. Your concentration should be here on the board and be very attentive. This is very, very important. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay, sir.
I'm writing some of the prime numbers here. Prime numbers क्या होते हैं? Is 2 a prime number? Is 2 a prime number?
No, sir.
No. Is 3 a prime
No,
number?
sir.
2 prime number नहीं है बेटा. 2 is a prime number. Yes, it is a prime. 2 has only two factors.
The 2 is prime number and 3 is also prime number, sir. And 5 is also. And 4 is not, sir.
सर कुछ बोल सब सर हाँ समझा रहे थे. मैं सर से पूछ रहा क्या मैं 6 आंसर बताऊं तो सर ने कहा था बेटा अभी बताना अभी 5th डिस्कस कर रहे हैं.
अब सर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड सिखा रहे हैं हम बच्चों को।
चलो बेटा, keep always keep your mics off when you are talking. Okay, चलिए देखिए। तो 2, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 2। सबसे पहले 2 के बारे में चेक करते हैं, इज दिस अ प्राइम नंबर और नॉट। 2 के दो ही फैक्टर्स हैं, वन फैक्टर ऑफ 2 इज 1 एंड द अदर फैक्टर ऑफ 2 इज 2। सो यस 2 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, ठीक है। 2 क्या है, एक प्राइम नंबर है। सो आई एम राइटिंग सम ऑफ द प्राइम नंबर्स हेयर। 2 is a prime number, 3 is also a prime number because it also has only two factors, 1 and 3. 4 is not a prime number because it has 3 factors. 4 के 3 factors होते हैं, कौन कौन से, 1 2 and 4. So these are 3 factors of 4, therefore 4 is not a prime number. 5 is a prime number. 5 के बाद 7 is a prime number.
7 and 11.
And 7 के बाद 9 is not a prime number. 9
Sir,
नहीं है.
11.
Then 7 के बाद आता है 11. Okay. So some of the prime numbers I have written like this. You can write many prime numbers. मैंने यहाँ पर कुछ prime numbers लिखे.
Sir, 13 also.
So we will check the number 12. अब हमको क्या देखना है, 12 जो नंबर है, is this number divisible by any of these prime numbers? इनमें से किसी से डिवाइड होता है 12? क्या ये जो नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं ये 12 के फैक्टर्स हैं? इनमें से कोई नंबर है 12 का फैक्टर? Is 2 a factor of 12?
Sir, 2.
Yes, sir. 2 is a factor of 12.
Yes.
2 is factor of 12.
हाँ, तो हम क्या करेंगे, अब 2 से 12 को डिवाइड करेंगे एंड वी विल राइट द आंसर हेयर 12 के नीचे। 12 के नीचे लिख देंगे। 2 किससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, जिस नंबर से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं उसको यहाँ पर लिखेंगे। दिस इज द मेथड। जिस नंबर से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, ये मैं प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करके दिखा रहा हूँ आपको कैसे करते हैं। ओके, सो जिस नंबर से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं उसको यहाँ पर लिखेंगे एंड फिर 12 को 2 से डिवाइड करके क्या आता है, व्हाट डू यू गेट इफ यू डिवाइड 12 बाय 2? यू गेट
Sir, 8.
6.
Sir, 6.
Sir, 6.
Sir, 6.
6 आता है। सो यू राइट
Sir,
6
We get 6 after dividing.
डिवाइड
Sir,
करने
we
के
get
बाद
6.
क्या आया, 6। अब वही काम हमको 6 के साथ भी करना है। को चेक करिए, 6 इज डिविजिबल बाय एनी ऑफ द प्राइम नंबर्स, इनमें से किसी से डिवाइड हो
Sir,
सकता है?
2 and 3. Sir, we write 2. Sir, we write 2.
सो वी विल
Smallest number.
अगेन राइट 2।
2 and 3.
सबसे पहले आप स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर से चेक करेंगे, विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर? स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम
Sir,
नंबर
2.
इज 2।
Sir, 2.
Sir, 2.
तो 2 से चेक करेंगे। सो 2 से डिवाइड होता है 6, यस, तो 2 को यहाँ
Sir,
पे
2
लिख लेंगे
3s are.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
answer will become 3.
अगेन। सो 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज 3, सो यू राइट 3 हेयर। अब 3 को यहाँ लिख लेंगे। तो 3 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2। अब 2 से चेक करो फिर से, 3 को 2 से
No,
डिवाइड
sir.
होता है, नहीं होता है।
Oh, sir.
No, sir.
You
Sir,
will
it is prime number, so it's divided by 3 only.
you will move on to the next prime number which is 3। अगला प्राइम नंबर क्या है, 3। क्या 3 से डिवाइड होता है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3 is divisible by
Yes,
3।
sir.
लास्ट में क्या आया, 1।
The factor
जब
is
तक
1, 3, 6, and 2.
तो
Sir,
जब
10.
लास्ट में जब तक 1 नहीं आएगा तब तक हम लोग ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ओके, आई विल गिव यू मोर एग्जांपल्स। सो दिस
Sir,
प्रोसेस
it is factor.
is known as prime factorization। and what are the prime factors of 12? उसको ऐसे लिखते हैं, 12 equals to, अब ये जो सारे नंबर्स आए हैं, all these are prime factors of 12। क्या आया आंसर, 2 into 2 into 3, ऐसे करके लिखेंगे, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3। so these are the prime factors of 12। this process is known as prime factorization। have you understood the first example जो मैंने आपको फर्स्ट
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके, आई विल गिव यू मोर एग्जांपल्स नाउ। ठीक है, और एग्जांपल्स मैं आपको देता हूँ। मे आई रिमूव दिस फ्रॉम द बोर्ड? अच्छा चलो, मैं रिमूव नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आई विल कीप इट ऑन द बोर्ड। लेट मी टेक अनदर एग्जांपल। लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ द नंबर 36। आई एम टेकिंग द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल व्हिच इज ऑफ 36। तो आई विल राइट द नंबर 36 हियर। इसको मुझे प्राइम फैक्टराइज करना है, इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना है। so now you draw 2 lines like this। I am writing the prime numbers again, 2 3 5 7
Sir,
11
7,
13
11, 13,
13 के बाद 17 and so on। वैसे
7.
इतनी सारी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी हमको, we don't need so many prime numbers but I have written। okay, So what is the smallest prime number? सबसे छोटा prime number कौन सा है?
Sir, 2.
2 is the
Sir,
smallest
2.
prime number. So I will write 2 here because 36 is divisible by 2. इसलिए मैं 2 लिखूंगा यहाँ पर. Okay. So now you divide 36 by 2. What do you get? 36 को 2 से divide करिए.
Sir, 18.
18. Absolutely correct. If you divide 36 by 2, you get 18. Okay.
18.
18 आ गया. Now let's check for 18 also. 18
Sir, 9.
is it divisible by 2? 18
Yes,
को 2
sir.
से divide कर सकते हैं. So you again
Yes,
write
sir.
2 here. Again write 2 here because 18 को किससे divide कर रहे हैं? We are dividing 18 by 2. So you will again write 2 here.
Sir, 2, 9.
18 को 2 से divide करके what do you get? You get
Sir, 9.
9. Okay. Now 9, is it divisible by 2?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So we will check by 3. क्या 3 से divide होता है 9?
Yes, sir. 3, 3.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 3, 3 का 9.
So 3 लिखेंगे यहाँ पर. Now 9 divided by 3 is 3. You get 3. Again 3 को 2 से चेक करा नहीं होगा. 3 को 3 से चेक करेंगे. Yes होगा. So 3 लिखेंगे यहाँ पर. And you get 1. Finally 1 आ गया. आ गया. You will always get
Yes,
1
sir.
in the end. If you are doing it correctly, you will always get 1 in the end. So 36 के factors क्या
Yes,
हुए?
sir.
Now you see these numbers. All these are factors of prime factors of 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are the prime factors of 36. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Very good. So let's take one more example. One last example. Okay. I'm taking the example of the number, suppose 45. 45 is the number 45. I'm writing the prime numbers again here. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Okay. So first of all, let's check by 2. मुझे यहाँ पे 2 लिखना चाहिए. Is 45 divisible by 2?
No, sir.
तो मुझे
Sir,
यहाँ
no.
पे 2 लिखना चाहिए या नहीं?
Sir, नहीं लिखना चाहिए.
Okay, I should not write 2 here. What is the number that I should write here?
Sir, 3.
3. Is 45 divisible by 3? 3 se divide
Yes,
होगा?
sir.
Yes.
15 3 is 45.
Yes. So 345 when you divide by 3, you get 15. Okay. 15 को चेक करिए. 2 से तो डिवाइड होगा नहीं. अब कोई भी नंबर यहाँ पर 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. अब
Sir,
आपको
3.
सीधे 3 से चेक करना है. 3 is it divisible by 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, 3
it is
fives are-
again divisible by 3. So you write 3 here. 3 into 5 is 15. So 5 लिख दिया. Now 5 is divisible by 3 or not?
No, sir. It is
No.
prime number.
अगला प्राइम नंबर कौन सा लेना है अब हमको?
Sir, 5.
The next prime number that we will take is 5. So write 5 here, and 5 divided by 5 is
1.
1. Okay. So 1 आ गया last में. So what are the factors, prime factors of 45? 3 into 3 into 5. These are the prime
5.
factors of 45. आपको कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? What is factorization?
Yes, sir.
कुछ
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया. Yes. Is it completely clear or it is somewhat partially clear? या पूरा fully clear?
Sir, fully clear.
Fully clear. चलिए. So I am giving you an example. You will do this example of prime factorization in your copy. Okay. You will do the prime factorization of this number. I will give you the number. You will do this in your classwork copy. Okay. आपको करना है
Sir,
copy.
there is no question.
Extra
of this.
question.
I know there is no question of prime factorization in your book, but I will give it from my side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. I'm giving you the number.
Then you like heading extra question.
No, just write the heading prime factorization. Write the heading prime factorization.
Sir, from a new page.
New page. And now Write down the
Sir,
question.
I do work on register, sir, so I have half page left. Sir, can I start from there only?
You can write from start from there. Do the
Sir,
prime
sir, you have to
factor
do this
die?
in notebook.
Yes, you have to do this in your notebook. Do the prime factorization of, I am giving you the number of the number uh, 48. Do the prime factorization of the number 48. Start doing. Yes, so all of you have done.
Sir, I have
Yes,
done.
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Sir, please wait a minute. I'm doing.
Sir, I have done.
Okay, chalo, I'm giving you 1 more minute.
Sir, I have done.
Okay, now I am telling you the answer.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am saying, did you find any work, Harsh?
Acha, Harsh, is this
Sir.
Harsh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Harsh, beta, I will send it to you
Okay, sir.
today or tomorrow. Okay, maybe today.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, we have to write LCM also.
No. Don't find the LCM. Just do the prime factorization.
Okay, sir.
48. This is the number 48. Now 48 is divisible by 2. First of all, 2 से divide करेंगे, you get 24. Again 24 you will divide by 2, so you get 12. 12 again you will divide by 2, you get 6. 6 is again divisible by 2, so you get 3. Now 3 is divisible by 3, you get 1. Okay, so in the last you're getting 1. So this is the prime factorization of the number 48. So 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the answer. How many of you have got the same answer?
Sir,
Sir,
I
I-
have got the same answer.
Sir, I have got a
got 96.
correct
Sir, I
answer.
have got the same
I have
answer.
got the same
Sir, I
answer.
have got the same
Sir, I
answer.
have got the same
I
answer.
have also got the same answer.
Very good. So are you ready for one more?
Yes, sir.
Please note it down in your copies, everyone. I hope everyone has completed.
Sir, we are ready.
Okay, ready for the next one? Okay, the next number is 18. Do the prime factors of 18.